Well, here we are. Back at it. Said 40% chance of rain. It fucking sprinkled on us. It dropped down to about a 10% chance, so we're gonna fucking shingle. We're gonna shingle. My fucking pull string is broke on this little fucking thing. Trying to fucking get started. Oh man. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Back at the old grind.
Today's not Tuesday.
Oh yeah, it's Wednesday. So you know I'm off a day. Alright, I might need to see. It's not supposed to have a pull string and a cover, but get up here, teach these boys how to really shingle today. Fucking boss is on site. Tripping. Here, so we got the hooded, got the Supreme beanie. Shout out my boy Jorganic for the espresso tea. Get these Jorganic.org. Got the Carhartt coveralls. I still got my UGG slippers on, man. We're gonna get some shingles on them. Fuck it. We're gonna get up there and really start breathing on them. Best rest roofer. Sign on. Pitch brake metal, starter strip. Running the course out. Let's take the course all the way over. Make sure your first few courses are straight all the way down before you just start running your books all the way up and finding out that you're crooked halfway down, you know? Then you can, shingles are a little forgiving where you kind of adjust it accordingly and straighten them out. I'm liking this new Senko gun though. Usually I shoot with the Super Max. Keep on going. 5 bundles to a square for the presidential shingle. Starting to rain on it a little bit, just sprinkling down here. A little raining and stop us from putting the shingles on though. I stopped the camera from recording though. Lining up your top left notch to the side, top right notch is sitting on top of your shingle. That's it, as long as your first couple courses are straight. Rain or shine, we shingle. Got Mike doing detail over here, Ethan doing detail over here. Peter, we lit. People staring from the ground all around town.
way downtown. You got city folks pulling up. You got camera on there. Fucking shooting that shit at a high-tech level. My grandma's watching, so I gotta hurry up. She watches my YouTube videos. Julius, I'm having fun in Africa, bro. Usually my normal theater. Julius knows the fastest shingler in town is. I hit one off the metal and bounced up and hit him earlier. Oh shit.
I was talking to a guy one time. We were on the roof just taking a quick break, and he went to go tell me a story, and he leaned on himself and went like this, but he had his finger on the trigger.
No.
Bro, he just boom, shot himself in his leg, bro. The nail is all pressed in his pants. He's like, ah, ah. Bro, I started laughing so fucking hard at this fool, bro. Like, that boy from Alaska, man. I did a shingle competition in Vegas.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and this dude in Alaska, he threw a whole bundle on his leg, bro. And he's a big ass dude. He's fucking just hell with that, bro. I couldn't keep up with that fool. Them Alaskan shinglers, a little different.
Shooting it. Coming about halfway. Gotta get our O'Hagan vents cut. Hopefully after lunch we'll bring it up to where the shingles stop up here. Then tomorrow we'll jump on the other side and start over there. Gotta go get a couple pipe flashings picked up. Cut the holes for the O'Hagans and fucking... Man, it's a perfect day for shingles. Ain't too hot. But I'm gonna go take lunch. Fuck this roof. Fuck. Shooting shingles, but the emails keep coming, so I gotta check in with a few of these. And Debbie's in the office typing up some change orders. Got a contract getting typed up. We picked up another job yesterday over off of Broadway. A couple hundred square shingles, re-roof. Contract value about $168,000. Cuz just sold a $500,000 job in West Sac. Gonna be a single ply overlay over there. So just like that, man, we booked up about for the fourth quarter. Between that and the repairs and the other project closing up. What else we got? Probably gonna have to get back to this office this afternoon and answer some of these emails. You know, last week I didn't really participate in the tear off and whatnot, but I was able to sell a job that week while, you know, so being able to bounce back and forth, man. why personally I'd be feeling like the best damn roofer, because need some work, fuck around, go sell that work, fuck around, come do that work, man. It's non-stop. The work is unlimited. I got so many bid invitations through my email. I got a couple thousand emails worth of bid invites and opportunities that we could be going for, man. It's just a matter of getting a good estimator in the office, you know, cuz sells his projects and we manage our own jobs, you know. I got my eyes on another estimator that I'm trying to get over and get him in the office, but that is going to push us to that peak, you know, right to the limit of $5 million in a year for a small family business. If I start going over that, it's going to push us into another tax bracket. They're going to tax us higher. You know, we're not going to be a certified small family business. So I'm okay with staying within that $5 million range for now, you know, until we branch off, get another office going out in the Bay Area or SoCal or something, you know. For Sacramento, it's all cool for about 5 million, you know. It gives us a good limit, pick good opportunities for us where we're still making a good margin, you know. Some companies that are doing more than that, they're dropping their margins just to keep the work coming in and keep their crew busy, but plenty of work for our crew. Fuck it, we ball.